Assembly video for our clamp-on pegboard with Swivel. Attach the pegboard to the backboard. Peel the backing off the 2 adhesive pads and apply them to the interior top of the pegboard. Place the provided washers over the bolts on the interior of the pegboard, then twist the spacer nuts onto the bolts until firmly tightened. Place the backboard onto the rear of the pegboard bracket so that the backboard hooks rest in the indentations. Secure the backboard to the spacer nuts using the provided washers and bolts. Connect the clamp. Turn the handle of the desk clamp counterclockwise until the clamp is fully opened. Attach the desk clamp to the underside of the pegboard using the provided bolts. Attach the pegboard to the desk. Peel the backing off the remaining 2 adhesive pads and apply them to the interior side of the backboard. Slide the clamp over the edge of the desk, then tighten the handle until the clamp is secure. Arrange the pegboard components. Hang the accessories on the pegboard in the arrangement that best suits your workspace by inserting the hooks on each component into the pegboard holes and sliding them down until secure.